Wow, when it rains here, it really, really rains. Hello, Pepper.
You stay recording?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Pepper.
It really, really rains. Oh, there goes the American flag. Woo! Getting wet. Hydrangea down there. Uh-oh, I hope they're not flooding. Ooh.
Pepper.
My little garden, I hope it doesn't wash away. Not quite done. Looks like it's getting pretty muddy down there. When it rains, it pours. A little bit of flooding. This is our new walkway that we had put in. So that would be all flooded out if we didn't have those rocks and stones put in there. My garden in the front. And my soon-to-be garden over here. Woo! And my vegetable garden way off in the distance, you can hardly see it. Getting a good watering.